Hi, smart builders. Today we talk about Wirtgen W 210F cold milling machine. The Wirtgen W 210F cold milling machine exemplifies the marriage of high performance and precision in the realm of road construction. It is a model in the new Intel milling machine series by Wirtgen that impresses with high milling performance and a flexible application range. Powered by a common diesel engine offering 766 horsepower, the W210F is capable of milling to a depth of 330 millimeters. This powerful engine, coupled with a 2-speed dual-shift power shift transmission, ensures it can easily adapt to varying milling conditions. One of the key features of the W210F is the Mill Assist digital control system, an automated assistant that regulates the milling process for optimal performance, fuel consumption, and tool wear. This intelligent system significantly increases productivity while reducing operating costs. Furthermore, the W210PHY is equipped with the Parallel to Surface (PTSD) system, which guarantees precise milling results. It automatically keeps the machine level parallel to the road surface, regardless of the terrain. This enhances the overall precision of milling and the quality of work done. Another impressive feature of the W210F is its ability to mill large areas or entire road surfaces quickly and precisely due to its wide milling drum. This machine also boasts a 3- or 4-wheeled rear loader design that ensures high traction and maximum productivity. The operator station of the W210F stands out as well. It offers excellent visibility and an ergonomic design for maximum operator comfort. The operator platform can also be shifted to either side, allowing for an optimal view during edge milling. The Wirtgen W210F cold milling machine sets the bar high for productivity, precision, and flexibility in road construction. Its state-of-the-art features and advanced technologies ensure high quality. Thanks for full watch. Subscribe for more. Thank you.